where we'll quickly learn about that what is this stealth frigate Taragiri, which has been in the news. So first and foremost, the indigenous stealth frigate Taragiri, which is equipped with cutting-edge weapons like, for example, supersonic missiles, is going to be commissioned into the Indian Navy. The Defense Ministry has basically given the statement, and our Defense Minister said that this will serve as a powerful testament to the nation's journey towards becoming a completely self-reliant naval power. Remember, various such stealth frigates which we are discussing, right, like for example Himgiri or Taragiri, they are actually being developed under a project. The project is titled as 17A, where the ships are actually being constructed by the two major shipbuilding companies, right, which are your GRSC as well as your MDL. And this is basically the Project 17 Alpha, which was actually being cleared by the government to construct warship and frigate for the Indian Navy, which involves the development of 7 such advanced missile-based frigates. Taragiri. Taragiri, which will be powered by the combined diesel or gas propulsion plants using the diesel engines and gas turbines and managed through an integrated platform management system. The ship will be fitted with a supersonic surface-to-surface missile system. Your various kind of rapid-fire guns will be also be installed for effective naval gunfire support. It also has a triple tube lightweight torpedo launchers and rocket launchers which will add punch to the anti-submarine capability as well. It is basically being designed to operate in the blue water environment, a very hostile environment which prevails in the region of now Indian Ocean, right, including your Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. There has been an integrated construction philosophy which has been done. So it is now not only being designed as a kind of a vessel which can actually, kind of sail for a long period, but also contains a heavy machinery, your anti-surface, anti-air and anti-submarine warfare. The long-range surface-to-air missiles, BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles and anti-submarine torpedo can be installed as well, including your Barak 8, which is an anti-aircraft missile, and Shakti electronic warfare suit as well. Remember, this is being done under another project, and that is Project 15B. So, it is a follow-on program from Project 15A to actually build the stealth guided missile destroyers of the Indian Navy. The ships which are created are actually classified as Visakhapatnam class, created by the Mazagon Dock Shipbuilder Limited, MDSL. 4 ships has been created. The displacement is 7,400 tons. The propulsion system includes your both gas as well as, in this case, diesel as well. Keep this in mind that the weapon systems which can be installed include your BrahMos cruise missile, Barak surface to air missile, your advanced radar systems like MF Star, including your electronic warfare system. Some specific facts which you shall keep in your mind when it comes to Indian Navy. So, as per the Ministry of Port, the revised coastline of India is 11,098 kilometers. The overall maritime boundary which we have. The largest maritime boundary which we share is with Bangladesh. Then it is with Sri Lanka. Then we share it in the chronological manner with 5 more countries being Pakistan, Myanmar, Indonesia, Thailand and Maldives. May the Lord of the Oceans be auspicious unto us is the motto of the Indian Navy, and the Supreme Commander is the President of India. Why we celebrate Indian Navy Day on 4th of December? Because during the India and Bangladesh liberation war which we were fighting at that point of a time with the with the West Pakistan, we had basically launched an Operation Trident 1971, under which we basically, our Indian Navy, it attacked the Karachi harbour and basically secured a very important naval victory, which we did on 4th of December, and that's how we celebrate the Indian Navy Day on that day. So remember these important facts. Remember specifically your Taragiri and the kind of the capabilities it has. Remember the name of the specific missiles in front of them, and we move forward to the next news.